fucking morning! Morning. Tumakawin, magluluto tayo ng dinner. 3, 2, 1. So I'm planning to make spaghetti with this. Okay, with this. Pero wala akong giniling. So ngayon, ayoko gumawa ng spaghetti nang walang giniling. We're gonna get spaghetti nang walang giniling. But before we get to cooking spaghetti, let's make something first. Na Milo, condensed milk. Mix this shit. Mix it until it looks like this. Then you add milk. I don't know what this shit's called, but it's good.
Leave me alone!
Okay guys, change of plans. Putang ina, ngayon ko lang binasa to. 28 June 24. Putang ina. Munti ka na. Kaya pala ang ano niya. Ang putang ina, bloated na nito. Gago, di carbonara na may hotdog. Kakainin ko lang yung hotdog, pero itong ano, yung ham na lang. Guys, kakain na tayo ng carbonara na may putang inang hotdog. Di ka na ako malason. Kala ko spaghetti, yung pala carbonara. Sana na. Joke lang. Thanks guys.